For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Petrol and diesel price have been increased for the 17th consecutive day in India. Petrol price hiked by 20 paise per litre, while diesel price increased by 55 paise per litre. State-run oil marketing companies have been revising fuel prices on a daily basis. The fuel price reached close to Rs 80 in the national capital. Petrol price has gone up by 8 rupees 5 paise and diesel price reached nearly 10 rupees in the last 17 days. Petrol price is now 79 rupees 76 paise per litre and diesel 79 rupees 40 paise per litre in Delhi. The price of petrol had touched a record high of rupees 84 in New Delhi in October 2018. The prices of petrol in India's financial capital Mumbai increased by 8.04 rupees to 86.36 in comparison to June 6 prices. In Chennai, the petrol priced at rupees 82.87 compared to 75.55 on June 6, an increase of rupees 7.32. The petrol price in Bengaluru touched rupees 82.15 today from 73.55 on June 6, a rise of rupees 8.60. In Kolkata, the price touched 81.27, which was 73.30 rupees on June 6, an increase of 7.97 rupees. In the national capital, petrol price climbed to rupees 79.76 per litre today in comparison to 71.26 per litre on June 6. The price hiked by 8 rupees 50 paise. Diesel price in the national capital reached 79.40 rupees per litre compared to 69.39 on June 6, an increase of 10.01 rupees. In Mumbai, diesel price climbed to 77.76 rupees compared to 68.21 rupees 17 days ago. The price increased by 9 rupees 55 paise. In Chennai, the price touched 76.77 as against 68.23 on June 6 and saw an increase of 8 rupees 54 paise. Bengaluru, the diesel price is 75.51 in Bengaluru today. It was priced at 65.96 on June 6th and hiked by 9 rupees 55 paise. In Kolkata, diesel price touched 74.63 rupees compared to 65.62 rupees 17 days ago and an increase of 9 rupees 1 paise. Fuel prices revised in India every day at 6 a.m. Oil marketing companies fix price based on currency exchange rate and global prices. Earlier, fuel prices were revised every fortnight. Fuel prices include excise duty, VAT and dealer commission. Fuel prices vary from state to state due to VAT. Congress Working Committee to discuss fuel price hike today. Congress plans to stage nationwide protest against fuel price hike. Congress had constantly raised concerns about increasing fuel prices in the country. Congress says Modi government burdening common man amid COVID-19 crisis. Madhya Pradesh Congress workers plan to stage protest on Wednesday. Meanwhile, across South India too, regional parties have raised concern about the fuel prices. DMK and left parties have been staging protest in Tamil Nadu questioning the hike in fuel prices. DMK chief Stalin had questioned government, stating that fuel prices in the global market had decreased but the centre was hiking it. Pinarayi Vijayan-led Kerala government had questioned centre's logic behind hiking fuel prices when global crude prices had dropped. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, this is yet another problem that the centre will have to efficiently tackle.